Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Coursera. So let me take you to the website, which is coursera.org. I'm going to mention the link in the video description as well for your quick reference. Now, for the ones who don't know about them, Coursera is a popular online education platform that offers courses, certificates, and degree programs from leading universities and organizations worldwide. It provides flexible, self-paced learning in subjects like business, technology, data science, and more. Users can take free courses or pay for certifications and full degrees, totally up to you. So what you're waiting for, you can come to the website, explore about them, and take any course that you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. And as usual, we are here to earn money, and this time from Coursera. So how do we do that? We simply have to join the affiliate program of Coursera, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to Coursera, we will end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Coursera? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of Coursera affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Coursera courses? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So regardless of consumer's country, you should be able to promote them and you should be able to earn commission so long as Coursera provide the services to that location. Now, let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of Coursera's website. Over here, you can click on affiliates, which will take you to the affiliate program page. I'm going to mention a link to the affiliate program page in the video description as well. So over here, you can see the commission rate, and that is up to 45% commission. Oh, that's great. You're bringing someone to Coursera, and if they pay something to Coursera, you could get up to 45% commission, and that will be over 4,000 plus courses they have available, courses and specializations. And if you scroll down, you can see how exactly it works. You join their affiliate program through Impact. We will talk about them shortly. You choose from any of the 4,000 plus courses or specializations, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. And if you scroll down, you can see some frequently asked questions. You can read the questions, see the answer. Now, how do you apply for Coursera's affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Impact, or rather impact.com. Now, why Impact and what does Impact have to do with Coursera? Now, Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any other brand, you have to join the respective affiliate network first. So in our case, if you want to join Coursera's affiliate program, you must join Impact as an affiliate. Now, Impact call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with Impact? Come to the website and click on request a demo, which will take you to this page. Over here to this section for creators, influencers, and publishers. Click on sign up as a partner. It will take you to the next screens where you can go with the registration process and get yourself an account with Impact. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved, especially when registering yourself as an affiliate, like which information to fill, which not to fill. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with Impact. Once you have an account, you can come to the website once again, and this time click on sign in, which will take you to the sign in page. Enter your username and password combination, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Coursera. But the focus of this video is just Coursera's affiliate program. To locate their affiliate program, you can click on brands and you can click on find brands, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on all brands and search for Coursera. Just type in their name and click on enter. And you will see the tile here. You can click on the tile to see more details. And as you can see, subscription anywhere between 15 to 45% commission, one-time sell anywhere between 20 to 45% commission. And if you want to learn more about this commission rates, you can click on view terms, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can see if item category is course. That means if you bring sales from course, you will get 20% of the sale amount. And if you bring sell on guided project, you will get 20%. And for specialization prepaid, you will get 45% of the sale amount. But for all others, 20% of the sale amount. If you scroll down, you can see more details. You can even read the terms and agreement. Now, let's go back to the affiliate dashboard. Over here on the left hand side, you will see more details. You will see social media handles, the descriptions. And if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Coursera, you can simply click on this envelope icon and initiate an email directly with the Coursera affiliate program team. Now, to have more details, you can click on details and you can see where they service. So they service in 216 plus countries. So you can basically promote them to the consumers of any of these countries. Have a scroll down, you can see more details. They're even open to influencers. That means even if you just have social media accounts, it's fine. You can apply to them and still get the approval. All right, so you read it all and now you want to apply to them. How do you do that? Simply click on apply. And from here, you have to tell Coursera B2C affiliate program why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is very important. Basically helps the brand to understand what you're planning for them, how exactly you plan to promote them, and why you as an affiliate would be suited for them. So ensure you write something good about you, your planning, and how will you be bringing sales to them. And once you have returned it here, you can simply click on apply. And when you do that, your application to Coursera affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they'll give you the approval. How much time would it take? It could take anywhere between a couple of days time to a couple of weeks time, and you will be notified by an email. Once you have received the approval, you can come to Impact Dashboard once again, the affiliate dashboard. Click on brands and click on my brands, which will take you to the section. Over here, you will see the list of all your approved brands. For my test account, I have these brands approved. Same way, when you get the approval, you will be able to see your brands approved here, including Coursera. Now, you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. So how to get the tracking link, or rather, how do you create it? To create the tracking link, you can click on home, which will take you to the home page. Over here, you can look at the right-hand side and you can scroll down till this section, create and share link. And from here, you will see the Coursera listed, assuming you get the approval. Now, let's say I'm going to select the Skillshare here, but assuming you get approval from Coursera, you can select Coursera here and you can put the landing URL. Now, let's say I got this page and I want to create a tracking link for this page. I will copy this landing URL and I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to click on create. So this will create a tracking link for me, but it's not working because as I'm trying to create tracking link for Coursera using Skillshare as an option here. So you would only be able to see Coursera here once you have gotten the approval, and then you can put any link from the website and create tracking link. Now, let's say you don't want to create tracking link, rather you want to use the existing tracking links. For that, you can click on content, you can click on assets, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can look at the left-hand side. You can search for the brand. So you can search for Coursera here. Assuming in your case, you have been approved by Coursera, you can select Coursera. Here, you can see which kind of link you want. Let's say if you want image or banner links, you can click on images, and then it will show you all the banner links of Coursera. And if you want other kind of links, you can also explore more and see the other kind of links. And let's say if you like this banner and assume this is of Coursera, you can click on it. And from here, you will have three options. First, you can download this image banner and you can integrate it on your website. You have to ensure you integrate it with the tracking link. Then second option is the asset code. You can click here and you will see the HTML link code. So you can take it and integrate it from the backend of your website, and it will look like this in the front end. There's an iframe option as well. You can click on iframe and get the iframe code if you want. Third is the tracking link. Let's say you just want a tracking link, and you can simply click on tracking link and copy the tracking link from here. So you have learned how to create or get the tracking links of Coursera. The next question arises, where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from them, you can put them anywhere on your website that you feel like is more suited for your audience. Maybe put the advertisement on your homepage, on your category page, wherever you see is more suited for your users. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write blog posts about different courses of Coursera. They have like 4,000 plus courses and specialization. Maybe write blog posts about all these if you like. And with the blog post, just put your tracking link somewhere in the blog post content. So this way, when people would read your content, if they like it, they'll click on the link, they'll buy it, and you'll get the commission. Third way is the social media. Now, social media would be great here because through social media, you could create a lot of content. You could create reels, you could do posts, you can create videos, and in the description, just share your tracking link. So this could work and people will buy, you'll get the commission. Fourth way is education website. Education website could be great here because people do come to this kind of website to be educated, isn't it? So maybe you can create different sections of different categories, and when people would go to those categories, they will see different courses offered by Coursera. So this way, when they will click on those courses, assuming you would have integrated a tracking link with those courses, so when they will click on those courses, buy the courses, you'll get the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote Coursera and you can start earning commission. Now, what about the performance? So let's say you have started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the homepage of Impact once again. And if you look at the homepage, you'll see the snapshot. So in my test account, you can see there's a snapshot of my performance. You can update the date range. You can see the clicks here, actions, payouts, sale amount, conversion rate, and earning per click. And if you want to have details report, in that case, you can click on reports here and you can click on performance by brand, which will take you to this report. You can use different filters to see how you're performing for each brand. You will see the program ID, you'll see the clicks and the actions. Actions are basically the sell. And like this, you can click on reports and run any of these reports. Now, what about the commission? All the commission that has been accumulated in your account, you would be able to see on the top right hand side. You can see this is the amount from my test account. And if you click here, you will see different options here. So if you want to see the invoices that have been issued to the brand, including Coursera, you can click on invoices. This section will let you see the pending commission, and this section will let you see the accumulated commission. Now, all the commission that has been accumulated in your Impact affiliate account, you have to ensure you have updated your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can look at the bottom left hand side. You can click on these three dots, which will take you to this section over here within finance. You can click on bank account and you have to ensure you update your bank account. So this way, all the accumulated commission in your Impact affiliate account will be issued to you via electronic funds transfer to your bank account. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Coursera. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Coursera. For me, if you got any questions related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.